So today what we are going to do is we are going to install Anaconda. So we are going to go to Anaconda Python. Anaconda Python download Windows. Just click here. After that go now. And in this you have Python 3.7. 2.7 is over. So we'll go for 3.7. So let's download this for Windows. Okay, this 466 MB or 64 bit. I think so it's 64 bit. Am I right? Yes, it is 64 bit. Okay. And after downloading it, you have to install it. You have to install it in this manner. Anaconda is a very versatile thing which you can download and install any of the uh, platforms. Okay, any of the frameworks. Okay, I'll go here. Now you just right click it, run as an administrator. Just click next and you just read through this agreement and you will see for all users you can see Anaconda 3. So you have to add to the path, don't forget it. Instead of Anaconda Windows to start, and you have to make it as default Python. Okay, now it is installing. It's very fast. It took about more than 30 minutes to install, and after that you have to click next. And next, don't forget to give the path. They have been saying in the video. So the 2 minutes video is not involved. It has more than 2 minutes. So after that, finish it. Okay. So Anaconda will be now here. So you have this. Anaconda is over here. So Anaconda exe, Anaconda command prompt, navigator. You have to type navigator. Anaconda navigator is here. You just run it. Okay.
Pane, narrator dialog, OK, button, Alt plus O, heads up. Web, narrator window, narrator heading level 1, welcome to narrate, exiting narrator.
Navigator and goes here. Open now. So the Anaconda navigator has been opened. Now you can install all these things, command prompt, everything. You want to create an environment, you have to go here and create an environment, and you can check for all these dependent things. Okay. So for learning also they have given you lots of resources. So today we will be trying to do fast AI image classification, and also you will install all these things. So now I'm not going to install all these things. Okay. After that I'm going to install. Thank you. This is our first assignment.